My name is Tony O'Gorman.
Bruno Lequen.
Pat McClure.
Austin Holbrook.
Laura Marquez. My background is I am a mechanical engineer.
Aeronautical engineer.
Electrical engineer. Graduated from the University of Michigan.
From University College Cork in Ireland.
From Kelekona University.
Went to MIT to get a master's.
PhD.
PhD in electrical engineering.
Then went back to Michigan and got a PhD. Assistant professor at both Michigan and at Michigan State University.
My background,
DuPont, Tesla, Hyperloop.
General Motors Research. Then Delphi.
Ford Motor Company.
NASA.
to Motorola.
My niche is taking the already proven working models for fans and lifting bodies and incorporating them into a full stack airfoil wing optimizer.
Motion controlled, software design, hardware design, system stability. So I'm very excited.
It's incredible.
Because we are changing the world.
It will be a further advancement of the electric vehicle drive technology.